Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Shopify cart drawer or footer. Let's get started. In order to do that, head over and customize it yourself. Just head over to your online store and click on customize right here. So I already have the theme of done, so I don't need to change anything anymore. What I can do instead is to scroll down and I can see in here my drawer for the footer. So when I click on that, I can actually edit out the color scheme. I can actually change it into what I like. You can also put in your email sign up as well as the heading for this, as well as a follow and shop, social media icons, country and region selector, language selector, payment methods as well, and policy link, as well as the pacing and all of these things right here. So the next thing I can do is I can actually head over and edit out what it looks like on other pages. So when you click on this cart drawer that we have right here, so let's click on this cart drawer. And once you have clicked on that, you can see also that it will implement the changes to have on another cart drawer. So if you want to edit out the cart drawer that you have, and not only the footer, you can actually click on that specific item on your website, then edit out the color scheme, padding, and all of these things that they have right here. So for example, let's change this into a blue, just like this. After that, click on save right here, and as you can see, it's been edited. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below, subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.